Yes, my people, welcome back to Trouble Turn Up TV. You don't know. Guys, I want you guys to be very careful when you're driving in the night in Jamaica. Or else, you don't know it go. Them a murderer. Them a murderer. You don't know police at work again. You don't know corruption can done. So what this video, as you can see right in this video, what taking place in the normal. Jamaica is not an easy place, man. Look what's going on. Criminal at work, Jaja. Apparently, guys, as you're seeing on the screen right now, this is a picture of a man getting robbed. So, is this real? Let's find out.
They're robbing him. They're robbing him. What the hell? They're robbing him. They're robbing him. They're robbing the whole man. What the hell?
Well, my people, you ever watch them video at Jamaica where you see them police just go up on the market street and start pull up the people, them goods and so on? Well, guys, take a look at this. Yes, man, exactly what you're seeing. This take place in America. So you don't know Trump badness, just like Andrew badness.
This is how I go in America. America gets serious more than anything else. No run will come America. Unless somebody has sent for you straight. And tell anybody that, believe it. This is how I go in America, brother. Yeah. People them thing at the side of the street are going a truck. I tell you this ugly, no? Yeah, that can't look good, brother. What the poor class am I going to do? What the poor class am I going to do? I tell you, brother. No.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, that's more than disgusting, bro. And look how much criminal out there, the money find time to come take up bomb. This is how I go in America.